Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. In this session, we are continuing discuss about interest rate terminology, the nominal and effective interest rates. In general, there are three ways to express interest rates. So first, I given 2% per month or 12% per year. So if we look at this statement, we realize that there are no compounding period given in the statement. So when no compounding period is given, the rate is effective. Or the other way is, when written 2% per month, it means it is compounded monthly. Or 12% per year, it means it is compounded yearly. Okay, so that the first method to write the interest statement. Okay, the second method is the compounded period is given. Example here, 10% per year compounded semi-annually, 3% per quarter compounded monthly. If you look at these statements, the interest given is yearly, but compounded less than 1 year, semi-annually, or 3% per quarter every 3 months, and compounded less than 3 months, compounded monthly. When compounding period is given and it is not the same as interest period. Example here again, yearly, year, but given is semi-annually. So this statement is nominal. The 10% per year in this statement is a nominal. Similar as 3% per quarter, the 3% per quarter is nominal. And it's not the same as effective interest rates. So how to get the effective interest rates? We have a formula to analyze for the effective interest rate for this statement. And the last approach to write the interest statement is stated clearly about the effective interest rate value. Example, effective 9.4% per year, compounded semi-annually, or I given effective 4% per quarter, compounded monthly. In this statement, when the compounding period is given and rate is specified as effective, so the rate 9.4% or the 4% is already a effective interest period. So again, in here we have discussed about three ways to write the interest statements so that we are able to differentiate between the nominal interest and effective interest period. If we look the example of how this compounding effect. Okay, so three different bank loan rates for electrical generation equipment determine the effective rate on the basis of the compounding period for each rate. So we look at the first example here, 9% per year compounded quarterly. So we can see that the compounded period is less than interest period yearly. The interest rates given is in a year annually, but compounding less than 1 year, compounded quarterly. So what happened? 9% per year divided by 4 quarters. So 3 months, 3 months, 3 months, 3 months. So there are 4 quarters in a year. So this 9% per year divided by 4. So every quarter being charged 2.25%. 2.25% in quarter 2, 2.25% in quarter 3, and 2.25% in quarter 4. Okay, that's the first statement. We look at the second statement here. 9% per year, still in yearly, 9%. Compounded monthly, means compounded every month. So 9% divided by 12. So they are 0.75% every month. So we can see here the compounding frequency in the second statement, B, is 12 times because it been compounded monthly. You see compounded monthly. So there are 12 frequency of compounding for a year. Okay, and look at the last statement, 4.5% every 6 months. Every 6 months, again, compounded less than 6 months, compounded weekly. Yeah? So we can see here, yeah, in a year we have 52 weeks. So in 6 months we have 26 weeks. Yeah, again, 52 weeks every year. So in 6 months there are 26 weeks. So this 4.5% divided by 26 weeks. So we get 0.173% every week. Every week. So this figure again want to show us the relationship between the interest period T, compounding period CP, and effective interest rate per CP, per compounding period. Yeah? And it also visualize the differences between nominal and effective interest rates. Yeah? 9% per year, but compounded quarterly. Yeah? So it's mean by 2.25% every quarter, and the nominal is 9%, but the effective is not yet 9%. Yeah? So what is the effective for the first statement for this figure here? So after this, we will use formula to calculate the effective interest for each statement. For each statement. Okay. So thank you.